What's a mosquito blood or something up in that motherfucker?
Yeah,
There's a mosquito blood. Hell no, Tasha, you pissing that shit up. What's that yellow? Hell no.
It's some kind of feeling in the inside.
No, hell no. No, I gotta feel it on the goddamn inside. Oh!
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that your girl is about to get that ass, y'all. So what we finna do is we finna put some mustard up in this little pastry. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new on the road to 200K. So if you here and you ain't smashed that subscribe button yet, smash it one time for your girl. Also make sure you smash that post notification bell so you can catch us when them bangers drop. You gotta make the bell go ring, ding, dong, hey, ring, ding, 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 dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do. So look, y'all, I got a little pastry that I got a couple days ago. And I got me some mustard. And I got this little medicine syringe, y'all. So what we finna do is we finna put some mustard up in this little pastry. Like, comment, share, subscribe, Team Tasha down in the comment section below because you know, your girl comes with nothing but freaking bangers. And let's go ahead and set this thing up, y'all. Open it nice. So I can put it back up in there. Oh, don't rip. Oh, it's all soft and moist, y'all. It's all soft and moist. I'm gonna wipe it up so he don't see that, y'all. But I need to poke the holes to get it up in there. I'm gonna get some napkins and clean the little mustard off the edges, and I'm gonna put it back in the package, and we gonna get straight up into this thing, y'all.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ooh. Oh, damn, it's hot.
It's hot as hell.
Oh, shit. Brought me a little snackety snack.
Hell no, that's mine.
How you gonna say it's yours?
How you gonna say it's yours? Okay, it is yours.
Here, man, you can have it. Here.
I can have it?
I mean, damn.
I don't want your little shit. Go ahead, you can have your little shit. I don't even want to.
Oh, it's hot.
Alright, since you gonna act like that and cry about it, you can have it.
I didn't cry about it. I'm just saying, I said thank you. You talking about it ain't mine. I'm like, I said you can have it. I had moved on from it already. Nope.
You did? You can keep it. You right, I brought you a little snack. Oh.
Damn.
It's hot as hell, huh?
Oh, shit. I done dropped my snack.
Oh! Oh, you didn't drop
Stupid
it?
ass seatbelt.
Damn, my seat don't want to go back. Hold on. What the fuck going on? Okay.
You
I'm
little
good.
short leg, Gavin. You got short legs long up
The
about
steering
it.
wheel hot as fuck.
Man, slow down, you almost baby head, but the damn dashboard,
That
man.
little ass head. Little bobble head. Oh, I'm sweating already. I just got out here.
Damn airbag would have popped out. Man, come on, man. Some stupid ass seatbelt. Get a new car.
Oh! Your neck off your shoulders, huh? Airbag would have came out. Oh. We need to stop complaining. It's only 104 today.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's that hot. I'm saying this shit was hot right here, though.
No, I'm hot as fuck.
I'm not that hot.
Already.
This shit right, this metal thing right here is hot as hell.
No, it is. That all that metal.
God, burnt
This
shit on my
steering
leg.
wheel hot as fuck too. Sheesh.
Oh.
Jesus.
Another beautiful day in Vegas.
Yes, sir.
I'm ready to go twerk on the strip.
On the strip? I know we ain't been to the strip yet.
You know what I'm saying?
We are residents now.
Oh, so that means we don't gotta go to the strip. Residents.
The residents always be like they don't go to the strip. All the people I talk to that live here be like, we don't never go to the strip.
You opened it?
Yeah, because I was finna eat that motherfucker. I told you I brought it for me. Thought this was a game?
You really was about to eat my shit.
I was.
You always trying to eat the last of my shit, though. That's my whole thing. Why you gotta always eat the last one?
I wasn't finna lie to you
Eat
about
the
it.
fifth to last one. Sixth to last one. third to last one. Not the last one. Man.
Oh, that sun is bright. Okay, I gotta drop that package off to UPS.
I let her UPS. You want a bite? You got a bite?
No, I'm good. Go
Sure?
ahead. Yeah, I don't need it. I was just being
I don't need it either, but I definitely want this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
greedy as hell. Oh, it's hot. Is it in this second? I guess it is.
Oh, hell no! Oh,
What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
What the mosquito blood or something up in that motherfucker?
What's wrong?
What the mosquito blood or something up in that motherfucker? There's a mosquito blood. Hell no, Tasha, you done pissing that shit up. What's that yellow ass shit? Hell no.
It's some kind of feeling in the inside.
No, hell no. No, I gotta feel it. I gotta feel it on the goddamn inside. Oh! What the hell was that?
I just told you.
Why'd you looking around for the thing? What the fuck was that? I'm talking about the thing and shit.
I
UPS.
don't know what you going through, Brock. Yeah.
Oh! You ain't been on the drink shit?
I don't like the way
Come on,
that
man.
smells. That shit stinks.
Smell that shit.
I smell it. I just said it stank. Obviously, I smelled
on,
it.
man.
Obviously, if I said it
Oh,
stank.
what is that? That shit molded or something, bro? Oh, hell no. Look at that shit. Look at it. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh, the cream is yellow than a motherfucker.
You done ate
No, that was some yellow ass cream cheese, man.
Y'all got that from Walmart. You know how
Nah,
Walmart
that's like
be.
mosquito
They will
blood.
keep some old shit out up in the bakery.
That shit look like the car after you go on a long ass road trip. That's just fucking gross, my nigga.
That's gross as hell.
Nah, bro. Why you didn't bring that to drink? You gonna bring that sweet ass shit in the drink?
Well, I wasn't finna eat it yet.
You said you was finna eat it.
I was going to eat it personally, but I wasn't personally finna eat it right now.
You sound dumb as hell. Why is my mama?
They got an edible arrangements right there. I need to go there.
Call out another goddamn landmark. Don't be shut your ass.
Oh! For UPS.
Tasha, what's this shit in my shit, bro?
Huh?
What you put in here, bro? What you put in here?
Why automatically I gotta be the culprit of it?
Because the shit was open, and you talking about you about to eat it.
Huh?
What is this, Tasha? What the fuck is this, my nigga?
I don't know what that is, babe. I think you're right. I think it's...
Oh! Look at that shit. Look at it. Just look.
I see it.
Oh, hell.
Ooh, don't throw up too much, babe.
Oh!
Oh, there it is! The UPS store!
Oh, shit!
Yay! Store!
Oh, shit!
Yay!
Shut
I
up! UPS?
found it.
Oh!
All about
I spit some Earl on your ass. My bad.
Nasty motherfucker.
Damn. No. Hell no.
Your shenanigans took me right here.
Why
Where
that?
I need to be.
Tasha, you done pissed at this motherfucker something.
Where I need to be.
You done pissed at. What'd you do to this shit, man? Look at that. Oh, that shit look gross. Look, hold it. I'm about to Earl.
Look.
What? Stop spitting that shit.
Oh.
Oh, hell no. No.
That's nasty. You okay?
Hell no. Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Your stomach hurt?
Tasha, what the fuck, man? Come on, man. Why that shit look like that? What the fuck is that?
You act like I'm the baker. I didn't bake this.
Why is you
If I would have baked it, it would have been bomb. You know, I do my thing in the kitchen when it comes to baking. I'm like Betty Crocker up in that thing.
Why is you
I
eating
wouldn't have
bird
did nothing
shit
like
danishes,
this.
my nigga?
Oh, bird shit is white, not this color, babe.
Look
It
at the
might be
doodle.
this color,
What the fuck is that shit? Come on, man. Hell no, bro. Nah, man. Nah,
What does it
man.
smell
Let me. Nah,
What does it
man.
smell
Let me.
I just want
Let
you
me smell
to
it. Let me smell it. No, let me smell it. Let me smell it. Tasha, on my mama, let me smell that motherfucker. I want to smell it again.
No,
Tasha, on my mama, let me
I
smell
wasn't
it.
trying to put it in your face.
Tasha, on my mama, let me smell it. I want to smell it. I'm trying to see what the fuck they put in my shit. Give me the shit back so I can smell it.
I don't want you to smell it no more because I was just trying. You gonna do too much.
Tasha, give me that shit back before I smell it.
It might be old. You think it's old? It says freshness guarantee. Oh, see, they didn't lie. It says freshness guarantee.
Give it back to me or you gonna be drenched.
Okay, you drench me in that, you gonna be wearing
Give
this
it back
Danish.
to me or you gonna be drenched.
You gonna, okay.
Give it back to me or you gonna be drenched.
Why
Tasha,
would
you ain't
you
finna
drench
smack
me?
me in the face with no bird shit damn Danish.
Oh!
That shit got mosquito blood in. Look at that shit, man. Tasha, give me this back. I said let me smell it. Why are you holding this shit hostage? Why are you holding it hostage?
Because I don't trust you.
Why are you so defensive?
Because I feel like you feel like I was trying to put it on your face, but that's not what I was trying to.
Ain't shit in, you stupid. Come here, man. Let me see it.
Don't put
Why you so
this on me,
defensive?
bro.
Why you so defensive? I'm not finna put this shit on you.
Because I just tried. You don't let me explain myself.
I'm trying to investigate this. I hate the shit. You need shit. Give me, damn. Look at that, man. Come on, man. Look at this nasty ass shit, bro. I was chewing all on this.
Was it good until, was it like an aftertaste, or did it immediately hit you, like it smacked you in the face as soon as it touched your tongue?
The first 2 bites was good, and then birds shot into my goddamn mouth.
Oh, that's nasty.
What'd you do to this shit, Tasha?
Nigga, I'm sitting here sympathizing with you.
Really, Nick?
Trying to make you feel better. Let
So
you know I love you.
Why you over there holding
I
hostage like you
wasn't
want me to smack
holding
you in the face with
hostage,
it?
Brock. Why would you smack me in the? Who wants to get smacked in the face with a Danish?
What you do to
Like,
my Danish?
that's not on
What
the
you do to my
bucket list
Danish?
of things
This
to
the
do.
last one? You gonna wait to play around with this? What you do with it? My nigga, tell me what you did before you be eating this motherfucker.
I'm not eating that motherfucker. I didn't do nothing.
Tell me what you did. For real?
You dumb.
Why does it smell like mustard, my nigga? God damn, why does it smell like that? Shit smell like mustard like a motherfucker. Come on, man. What the?
Oh!
And then you gonna smash it on my face like I'm guilty of some shit?
This stinks so bad. Stop! Stop!
How we gonna go on the UPS looking like this?
What I look like?
You don't look that bad. I look bad as. You put mustard in the shit, Tasha? You put mustard in it?
Oh!
You ain't had nothing on your hand. You just smacked.
It's still on my hand. Stop playing.
Still on my feet. Stop playing. Take me home, man. I'm not even going to the UPS. Take me to home. I swear to God, your ass play too much. Oh, my mama, take me home, Tasha. You got me with a mosquito blood booger and shit on my goddamn fingers.
Oh! Okay, that package gotta go back. It has to go back today, so your ass gonna have to take it in.
I will smack the fuck out your ass. I ain't taking shit in. You better drop that motherfucker at the front door with a note on that motherfucker. I'm not going in looking like you gonna smack me in the face, a motherfucker like this. And tell me
I wasn't God. You smacked me in the face with it first, Brock. You will always get the story. You smacked me in the face with it
I
first.
tried to.
You got me?
The first
You
motherfucking
got me?
time. You got my ass like a motherfucker. Full smack.
Stop.
Okay, so you own the whole fucking meal, my nigga. On my mama. You
That wasn't even a meal worth of
I
nothing.
wouldn't give a fuck just for my stress. So I sue your ass for post-traumatic syndrome. You owe me a whole meal, my dog. For real. You gonna do that fucking shit, man?
I hate mustard. It stinks so bad.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she